Hi guys, this is Madi. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert your files in iOS device. But if your device is Android, don't worry at all, because we have already recorded a video for you which you can find in this card. Let's start. First, open App Store. Then search Smallpdf. Download and install this application. After that, open the application. If you want to get notifications from this application, select Allow. Otherwise, choose Don't Allow. Then tap on Let's Start. In this step, select Add. If your file is in your gallery, choose from Gallery, or you can take a picture now and convert it to any format you like. For example, I have a PDF file on my Files application, so I should choose Add from Files. Then let me choose my file. Great. Now tap on More here. After that, select Convert. Then choose your target format. For example, I want to convert my PDF file to JPG. In this step, go to More section in your new file. Then choose Save to Device and select Save. Working with this application is very simple, and you can use this application in any platform you want. Now with this application, you can easily convert your files. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.